Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Time Astra as a new player. Time Astra is a very important resource in many games, often used to advance your character or unlock special content. For beginners, understanding its value and how to acquire it early on is key to a smooth and enjoyable experience. We will cover the fundamental steps to start building your reserves right from the beginning. To begin your journey, focus on completing the main story quests. These often provide generous amounts of Time Astra as you progress through the narrative. Additionally, make sure to log in daily. Many games offer valuable login bonuses, including this resource, over a period of 7 to 30 days. Don't forget to check your beginner challenges, as these are designed to reward new players significantly. Once you've covered the basics, it's time to maximize your Time Astra income. Participate in all available daily and weekly activities, as these often reset and provide consistent gains. Joining a guild or team can also unlock cooperative rewards and special events that yield more. Keep an eye out for limited time in-game events. These frequently offer bonus Time Astra for participation, sometimes up to 50% more than usual. Now that you are accumulating Time Astra, knowing how to spend it wisely is crucial. For new players, prioritize essential character upgrades that directly impact your power and progression. Unlocking new abilities or critical game mechanics should also be a top priority. Resist the urge to spend on purely cosmetic items until you have a stable income and your core setup is strong. Smart spending ensures faster advancement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.